Jeev rang sé, how are you all ar an 8 lá de bhí Feabhra? So, the 8th day of Feabhra Gaeilge a bheith hen. Tá seachta nua os argóir agus we're arás go dtí ar léamhsáile a ríis. Okay? Seachta nua and we're back to léamhsáile ar leathanach chuige, page 50. And we're going to do 2 readings today in léamhsáile, but what we're going to do is a little bit different, okay? I'll tell you anyway. Madra nua is an tegel, so a new dog, and we can fake and show we see a madra agus daddy, okay? Agus tá daddy fluchbáte, tá a bhróga fluchbáte, tá madra seo crackáilte. He's crazy. But anyway, let's see, okay? So I've highlighted in the Feabhra. If we look at them there quickly, can you tell me? Yeah, so Amshalorach mainly. Okay, we've thought a few words that end in NN. Some Amshakach as well, 4 and Re and V. So a bit of a mixture here. So this is a good one. So, Tá madra nua ag clan Ivua. They have a new dog, this family. Clan Ivua is their name, the family. For sheed on unad tar hala e. They got it from the rescue centre. Go down here. Rescue centre. Is mongrel e. He's a mongrel, a mix. Tá sé 3 blina dísh. Is bra lesh an thra. He likes the beach. Gachur, every time a chéan sheed ar hiúlóid lesh. Every time we go on a walk with him, they go on a walk with him. Rihin sé inia nanein. So inia nanein. Rihin sé. He runs inia nanein after the birds. Law 1. Rish sé kotapi inia nanein. He ran so fast inia nanein. Gur haring sé means he dragged. Daddy is ja san aragalesh. Okay, so rish sé thresh an seagull seo inia an seagull. Agus haring sé daddy is ja san ishka or san araga into the sea. Vi daddy jarug la farag. That's a lovely saying. He was red with anger. Vi sé jarug la farag. Vi avroga, his shoes, avroga, flukbacha, ach bakama lesh an madra. Flukbacha means soaking wet. Ach bakama lesh an madra. The dog didn't care. He didn't care. He's like, it's my job to chase birds, man. Leave me alone, pops. Okay, but vi jarug farag yado. Your daddy, Vishay, Builla. He was furious. Okay, so nice and easy. Now, what I want you to do today, guys, okay, you'll read through it. You've heard me reading it, okay? Instead of writing today, we're going to do the questions and answers 3 veils. So again, you're going to leave me a voice message. Now, I'm being kind, okay? This shouldn't take you too long, and it's nicer than writing out all the answers. Okay, so you'll go, voice message, Feabhra hen. Céir de tá ag clan Ivua, and I want you to ask the question and then give the answer. Okay, so what does clan Ivua have? That's Éasca. Feabhra though, cá bhuair siad é. Where do they get him? Okay, so cá bhuair siad é. Your answer is going to start with 4. Céní sé, easy. Céir a dhéanann sé ar hiúlóidí. What does he do on walks? So you know what he does, who he chases. Okay, agus céir a bhí flukbáte. What was soaking wet? Okay, and we can see Safikter. So, cad atá flukbáte. What is soaking wet? Is that correct, Glor? So that's the first one, okay? And I'm going to give you the second one, since we're doing no writing today. And we're going to go to Lehanach Shaskahain, page 61. And this one is called Reeve Fust Olara. Okay, so what's a Reeve Fust? It's a type of mail, but it's a Reeve means e or electronic, email. From Laura. Reeve fust, O means from. If it was to Laura, it'd be dot Laura, but O means from. So, she's writing to Leah. Leah achara. Leah, my friend. Conas tátu. How are you? Tá me gama. Tá me gnóhach an tamar fad ach is rud an ma ishin. Okay, gnóhach means very busy. Busy. Ach is ma an rud ishin. That's a good thing, and it is a good thing to be busy. Tá cúpla scéal agam ditch. I have a few stories for you. Tá cúpla scéal agam ditch. Okay, and these were all tá, so that's Amshalorach, and it is mainly in the Amshalorach, but she's looking ahead now to next weekend. By me, I will be, by me, egdol chuig to a banish ag an Jerushachtana shahugin. Hugin. Okay, Jerushachtana shahugin. Banish is a wedding, ag an Jerushachtana shahugin is next weekend. So by me, I am going chuig banish ag an Jerushachtana shahugin. Tom bish. Tá sketchamini Remember in the Amshalorach there's no me, so it's time. I am excited. Or you could say tá sketchamini I'm excited. Tá súl agam, I hope, go mai lá iontach agam. I hope it's a brilliant day. I hope that it will be a brilliant day. I should have that highlighted too because it's a brí here. Tom ag tosu, I am, again, there's no Tom A, it's Tom ag tosu ag imirch haka. I am starting playing hockey on the Shahugin. So Shahugin up here was next weekend, and the Shahugin is next month. And the Shahugin Lamachara Anya. So she's going playing hockey with her friend Anya. Baishe, I'm sure Ashtonuk again. Urshul Gachlún Thresh na Scala. It will be happening Gachlún every Monday Thresh na Scala. Baime, I am Egdol Gaji an Farsnachtana an Farsnachta san Auerklin je Saharn. Again, I am going to the Farsnachta, the snowman, and it's in quotation marks or speech marks because it's the name of something. San Auerklin. Auerklin is the theatre. Je Saharn on Saturday. We can see it here, you know. I'm walking in the air. You know that song, that play, the snowman. Clisham. I hear Gaeilge Eros. I hear that it's Eros excellent. Remember, I always say to you, Eros. Clisham. An will ein scale agat. Have you any news or stories? Scrív arash hugam. Write back to me. Scrív arash hugam le the hell, please. If I say le wordel, I'm talking to all of you guys. But if you're talking to one person, it's le the hell, please. Slán, bye. Dochara, your friend Laura. Okay, so again, we're not going to write anything, but you're going to ask the question, ask Gaeilge, and you're going to answer that Gaeilge in a little voice note. You can do 2 separate voice notes if you want, guys, or you can do it all in one. I don't mind. Okay, Iver hen, you'll ask the question, Cé scrív an ríomh first. Who wrote it? So, scrív, blah, 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 an ríomh first. An will she gnohuk? Is that person gnohuk? So, an will, your answer is going to start with Tá or Neil. Iver 3. An will ein scale eki. Does she have any news? Again, your answer is going to start with Tá or Neil. Now, if you look up here, guys, you're not going to say, oh, Tá cúpla scale agam ditch. Because you're not her. You'll say, Tá scale eki. She has news. Tá cúpla scale eki. And you wouldn't say ditch for that. That's for you. Tá cúpla scale eki. G for her. She has news for her. So tá cúpla scale eki G. My God, I think I've told you the answer for all that one. Iver Cahir. Cá mai she egdol an jura shachtana shahugin. So where will she be going? By she. Our answer is going to start with by she egdol, wherever she's going. Iver Kuig. Cá mai she egdol je Saharn. Saharn should have a capital S there, shouldn't it? Name of the day of the week. Cá mai she egdol je Saharn. Where is she going? Je Saharn. Is that correct, Galore? Okay, so that's great. You have to do that, guys. You've no writing in your lesson while you're today. The only thing you have to write is your Feabhra's focal. And so Feabhra's focal is these words, okay? It's whatever page it is. It's C and CH, I think. Yeah, C and CH. Do it as normal, A and B. Now, the only thing I want you to do for B, and let's see who's listening now. This will prove who's listening to my videos, okay? The only thing I want you to do, you fill it in as normal, and I want you to highlight any of na bríomhra. Highlight any of na bríomhra in it. That's all. Nice and easy in Irish Day. You won't have too much writing. So you'll highlight V. You'll highlight Ni. Okay. Any of the bríomhra. And these are all San Amshire Catcha. So you need to highlight all the bríomhra that you fill in part B here. Is that okay? So you have 2 pieces of reading in your Aberlum. They're easy. And I want oral questions and oral answers. No writing. Then you go on to your Feabhra's focal. You do A August B. And highlight any of the bríomhra we have in B. Is that correct, Glor? So I don't want you writing all day now. Just use your heads and work smart rather than writing all day. There isn't writing for doing here now. It's okay. It's a voice message and highlighting some work. Correct, Glor, guys. Garmil Mila Magav. Feki me Shiv. I will see a Gaeilge o'clock at 11 for our Grinnew Zoom, for our Zoom meeting. And we'll look at our starlight there. Thanks. Slán live. Gur Magat.